Hello friends, I, Deepika Shrivastava, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, BTech from Biani Group of Colleges, Jaipur. I am here to deliver a lecture on basics of compiler from the subject compiler. The first question arises, what is a compiler? Compiler is a program which converts high-level language to assembly-level language. High-level language, that is our source code, and assembly-level language is our executable or target code. It converts the source code into target code. The basic structure of compiler is as shown here. It starts with lexical analysis. When the data in high-level language is given to us during lexical analysis, that data is broken into tokens. Tokens of what? Characters. Like characters are given different, are formed in different groups, identifiers, backslashes, everything. Those are in common form single token. Like characters will come in one token, identifier numerics will come in second token, spaces, everything will come, slashes will come in another token. So tokens are formed during lexical analysis, whereas the white lines, comment lines are being eliminated during this phase. This is the work of lexical analysis. This also helps in generating messages for error. Next is syntax analysis. Syntax analysis, this is responsible for generating parsers. Parsers, that is trees. This is responsible for generating trees to evaluate any expression. Next is semantic analysis. Semantic analysis is responsible for type checking. Type checking. Basically, this is the place where an expression gets evaluated. So we need to be very sure about type of each integer character, of each identifier. That is, whether it is an integer, character, string, or whatever it is. So it all need to be recorded within type checking during semantic analysis. Then next is intermediate code generation. During intermediate code generation, 3 address codes are generated. What does it mean? 3 address code stands for, if we have a long expression, it needs to be broken down into multiple expressions, but remember that each instruction should have only 3 addresses. Like, for example, we can say we have A is equals to B plus C into D minus E. So it needs to be done like X equals C into D, then Y equals X plus B, and Z equals Y minus E. This is a 3 address code because only 3 addresses are involved in this. So this task is done under intermediate code generation. Next is code optimization. This is an optional phase in compiler because this undertakes like optimizing the code, making as good as possible by loop rolling, and we have code invariant elimination, like the code which is invariant, which is not terminating, it has to be removed from the code, and the loops which are not terminating, they have to be limited. So this all work is done under code optimization. And the last phase is target code generation, that is our assembly level language or target code is generated during this phase. So these are the phases of compiler. Now have a look. The symbol table keeps account of all the identifiers which are being used during this process. Everything is kept in account in symbol table. And error handling, like if the process goes on, some errors are encountered, so they are reported under error handling mechanism. This is all with compiler basics. Thank you. If you need any information regarding compiler, so please visit our website www.gurukpo.com. Thank you.